Hi, my name is 𝘉𝘈𝘔𝘓, and we chose Bull Run Kitchen and Bath to remodel our bathroom.
Are you listening now? Do I have your attention? Can I get a response to all the questions?
After living here for 16 years, having just the builder bathroom, the tub, the shower, very outdated, and we found Bull Run through an online search, and we saw lots of great reviews and got some great referrals on Facebook. So we decided to work with them to redo this bathroom and create a beautiful spa experience. We really wanted something comfortable and welcoming that had a rustic yet very spa upscale feeling. And so we sat down with Hakan to put together this project. He had some wonderful ideas about how to really expand this space since it's not a really big space. And he had a lot of great insights that we used in order to create this entire project. We love the idea of having black accents in the bathroom, and so we took that to the next level with some really nice small details that between Hakan and Grover really came to life. Working with Grover and Sana on this project once we got started was simply amazing. It's really important to have great communication along with great workmanship, and Grover exemplified both of those. Every step of the way, he made sure that everything that we wanted was being done down to an eighth of an inch. So it was incredible to see our vision come to life with such a wonderful professional in Grover. Sana stopped by regularly to make sure that everything was going on time and according to schedule, and that also we were satisfied with the workmanship that was going along with it. We never had a single complaint about anything that Grover did, and he kept us apprised of every single detail. So we were really comfortable working with Bull Run Kitchen and Bath because they really communicated well with us from the very beginning to the very end.
You can't stop me. You can't stop me.
Certain things made this bathroom really special for us, especially the fact that it has a beautiful spa experience attached to it. From the soaking tub, which we have on a platform that's on the same level as the shower, it means you can go directly from the tub to the shower without having to get out like you would normally have to with a traditional shower and tub. We also love the river rocks. They laid them down so beautifully, and they're nice and flat so that they're comfortable on your feet, and they run up the side of the wall to create a beautiful experience that just makes the whole room flow together. We absolutely love the way that they took their time in making sure that the heated floor had coils underneath it so that every time we step into this bathroom, our feet are nice and warm, and it's just a place that we can relax from the very first step. We went with the farm door to open up the bathroom just because it's got a nice sliding door, and we even got the soft close on it so that when we are using the bathroom in the middle of the night, we're not waking up anybody else. The farm door opens up and you get this beautiful spa-like experience with the warm brown colors and blue accents that really brought it all together for us to make it feel very upscale and unique. We even have different types of lighting in here, from the beautiful chandelier to the recessed lighting that Grover installed. The mirrors have lighting that changes temperature, so when you turn on the mirrors, you can do your makeup for daytime or nighttime. We loved using the soft brown colors with the tiles that Sana suggested to make sure that we brought everything together in a beautiful way for that spa, soft, welcoming experience. We chose a soul chocolate brown for the walls, and Sana, Grover, and Hakan made sure that our door, our vanities, and our shelving were all painted to match each other and continue that warm feeling. We're also huge fans of the floating vanities because we have a small space and it opened up that space to make it look larger. We also are really happy with the curve that we have here around the shower to separate the floor and our bathing area. It really gives a lot of personality and style to the room, and Grover was really meticulous about making sure that it flowed perfectly along with what we were looking for. We're excited to work with Bull Run on future projects. We have other bathrooms that need remodeling, and maybe even our kitchen. Because they did such a great job, they were so trustworthy, and they kept their promises, which is something really important when you're looking for a contractor. I highly recommend Bull Run Kitchen and Bath to anyone looking to do a home product. They are professional, they are on time, they communicate really well with anything that happens, and especially nowadays with delays, things of that nature, they were fantastic about keeping us posted on everything that was happening. If you have a home remodeling project that you're looking to get done, I highly recommend that you check with Bull Run Kitchen and Bath. You will be as satisfied as we are.